Hey guys, welcome back. Today's problem is swimming pool hot tubs that don't seem to have any pressure going to the jets. You can see on this one, only 2 of the jets actually have any flow. The other 2 have none. So let me show you how to fix that. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is drain the hot tub, then we gotta remove the jet. These flat jets are a little more difficult to get out. You can see this is what it looks like. It's got 2 raised barbs on it. I'm sure there's a tool to get it out, but if you don't have one, get you these work really good. Put one on each side, then you can use that to spin it around. And once you get it out a little ways, it'll come out by hand. That's how you remove those. Okay, and we're gonna reach up in there and pull this one out. There it is, bingo. That's the nozzle. Long socket, make sure it's got where it won't come off, because you'll lose this in the wall. Trust me, I know. And go ahead and get it, put a ratchet on the end of it. And there it is. And you can see
a little tight.
Okay, you can look in the end of it. See where it's clogged up right there? Mm-hmm. So we're just gonna push that out, and there you go. That's what it was.
What are those, rocks?
No, those are actually fins out of the DE filter.
Oh.
But real common, they clog them up. But there you go, you can see it now, it's completely clear.
Yep.
So we'll put it back together and then do the other one. See, it's clogged also. There it is, all clean. There we go. So we'll put the jet back together. Let's see.